Provisional entry into force of treaty. There are an increasing number of treaties, which include provisions for provisional entry into force. Such treaties provide mechanisms for entry into force provisionally, should the formal criteria for entry into force not be met within a given period. Provisional entry into force of a treaty may also occur when a number of parties to a treaty, which has not yet entered into force, decide to apply the treaty as if it had entered into force. Once a treaty has entered into force provisionally, it is binding on the parties which agreed to bring it into force provisionally. The nature of the legal obligations resulting from provisional entry into force would appear to be the same as the legal obligations in a treaty that has entered into force, as any other result would create an uncertain legal situation. It is the criteria for formal entry into force that have not been met, but the legal standard of the obligations remains.